Dream Vacations in Puerto Rico, Part 2. Dorado Beach, a Ritz-Carlton Reserve. This luxurious beachfront resort, set in an old coconut plantation, features luxury amenities and facilities, and excellent views of the Caribbean Sea. Dorado Beach, a Ritz-Carlton Reserve, has several swimming pools. Each beautiful room at this property features modern decor, a large wardrobe, and marble floors. Some rooms feature an ensuite plunge pool and spectacular ocean views. The property features 4 on-site restaurants that offer elegant dining with gourmet dishes like ceviche and oysters. There are also open-air and beachfront dining options. There is an on-site spa that features relaxing massage treatments, and the property can also arrange activities for young children. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.